Guys, nandito na kami sa Vulcan. At tiyempong-tiyempo talaga ang punta namin dito kasi parang may nagaganap dito. Parang may pagpupulong ang lahat ng mga alien dito. Let's go.
Some of them are in costume.
Yeah, is that a wedding?
I don't know what it is.
I don't know what it is.
Okay, where are we going first?
Maybe it's a cosplay.
Go there first. Take photos there.
Okay.
Okay,
At the
let's go.
exercise.
All right, let's go there.
Wow. Marami palang ano dito. Picture kami. Let's go. Let me get my tripod. What's happening? What's happening? Ano daw, mami? Ano daw meron? Conference. Oh, kaya pala. Ayan, guys, makikita nyo. Talagang nakaano sila. In character talaga sila, oh. Ayan, oh. Wow. Ayun. Nakita na namin sila ng personal. Sakto talaga yung punta natin, ah.
Let's go.
Oh!
Gotta get a picture with you in with us as a friend shot.
Get in here.
Give me your phone.
Yeah.
The photographer
We can take.
needs the picture to prove that you exist.
Every family gathering.
Always, always.
Hired her to do photos, so we're just out doing photos, and it gives us a reason to come out and wear our uniforms. But generally, for the convention itself, they get a couple stars from Star Trek, fly them in, and then they do like panels, and they have like a vendor hall. And because of Vulcan not being too huge of a place, it's a lot more of an intimate thing. Because they do like dinners and stuff like that as well. So. But for us, because we live in Calgary, it's an hour drive, and we're like, it gives us a reason.
Well, we're from Calgary,
Yeah.
but we went camping and I've lived in Calgary for 65 years, and I've never been to Vulcan.
Well, that was the first time we came here. I came with my wife's family, and like my dad was a huge, like my dad and my mom were huge Star Trek fans. And I'm just like, how did I never ever go to Vulcan with my dad? Like, Rick, so.
Oh, it's never
We're
too
just on
late.
the way home, and I thought, you know what, Vulcan's on the way. Let's check it out.
Well worth it. There's stuff all through the town.
Okay.
They have a giant mural that's also Doctors in the series. They have
Ayos ang timing ng punta namin.
waterfront that you can get photos in.
Okay, let's
They
take
have,
picture of the dito, oh.
So, which is
Find
really
your
nice.
place. Okay. Ayos pala tong lugar na ito, eh. Puntahan namin, eh. Ganun pala yun. Nandito kami sa Vulcan. Pakalat-kalat sa Vulcan. Kasama namin ang mga
Star Trek.
Star Trekkers.
Star Trekkers.
Should we go there? Sobrang luma naman ang kasin niya kasi kaya hindi ko nagigets, eh. Hindi ko naintindihan.
Sheldon lang nga namin ito narinig. Star Trek. And all episodes go inside. Oh, they have like that.
Ayan o, guys. Nandun ang lahat ng mga characters, oh. Nasaan? Oo nga, no? Yun. So, guys, meron pala silang sinasagawa ditong conference. Kaya naipon dito ang mga characters. Kami naman, ay Gate Crushers. Ayun, no, nagpa-fashion show sila. So usually yung mga artista daw pumupunta dito. Ah. Yeah. May fashion show sila.
Mga Star Trekkers. No pets allowed. Ayun ang favorite ni Sheldon na character. Ayun.
You go inside, I can't.
Ano ba 'yon? Parang
It's a gift shop.
okay, so we're going in. This I don't know if it's museum or what, gift shop. Sige kuya. We're just checking this out. Cool place. Pero hindi ako makakonect guys kasi sa totoo lang hindi ko talaga alam yung Star Trek. Wala akong idea. Hindi ko na yata inabutan yan.
Luma-luma na yung Star Trek.
Panahon kasi ni Kuya Steve yan eh. Hindi natin panahon. Oh, so there's a lot of Star Trek merchandise. Collectibles. Things like that. Itong lugar na to. Yung mga mahihilig sa Star Trek dyan guys, punta kayo dito. Ako medyo hindi ako makakonek masyado. Hindi ako makarelate masyado kasi hindi mo ba hindi mo ba na ano yan, inabot yan, yung mga pinapalabas yan dati?
Ano?
Ako wala akong alam dyan eh. Kaya hindi ako makarelate eh.
Napanood ko pero hindi ko.
Kaya pala Vulcan yung lugar na to.
Star Trek.
Vulcan yung...
hanapin
Ano
mo
ba yung Vulcan doon? Mga tao o lugar din?
Lugar.
Mga lugar din. Oo nga. I-research.
Let's go here.
It's a cool place. The thing is just I can't relate because I don't know Star Trek.
Yeah, you don't know it. Yeah, see, it was back in the late '60s, early
Oh, see?
'70s. Star Trek every day was Star Trek.
But was it made a movie? Or?
There's Star Trek the movie, yeah, but
Yeah.
there's the old Star Trek, and then there's the new Star Trek, right?
I love the old one.
The old one, yeah, because William Shatner and
William Shatner.
Leonard Nimoy was that one there.
Sad case, di ba? I can't relate. Because I don't know. I know
because
nothing
you're
about
so-
Star Trek.
I watched Star Trek when I was a kid.
Aw, that was gonna be my spot.
Okay, what else can we do?
I don't know. There's. I'm thinking of a Tim's. We can
Yeah,
grab
I
a.
need
Yeah, a
coffee.
cup of coffee. Or you look at that. Is it something related to Star Trek too? That wall there? Maybe we can take a picture of that wall.
No,
No?
that's not. That's just the fairies and the.
Oh yeah. Okay.
We have coffee at the end.
We're looking for something. We can grab coffee.
Maybe Nanton?
Wait.
Closest is Nanton.
I saw he's driving. I know. This guy is sleeping. He's tired.
not just twice.
Naantok na siya. Kaya
Yeah.
nga kinakausap
So we
ko
need
ng kinakausap
we need to
eh.
go to the closest one.
A&W.
You should give him the radio so he can give us. Oh,
Nanton,
this- on your
Nanton
left
is the closest
Okay,
Tim.
let's go to
Okay, let's go.
Let's go
Let's go to Nanton then.
Ay, yeah, last
Pansit
Thursday,
Nanton.
ate. Pansit Nanton. Pansit Nanton. Last Thursday when we passed by there, we saw like 5 old ladies sitting there eating ice cream.
Oh, is it? Was it Nanton? In Nanton? Ah, yeah.
They're like
Yeah,
ice
they're having a good
cream,
time.
hanging out together,
Yeah.
and then eating ice cream.
Yeah, it's 37 kilometers.
Okay, well, let's go.
It's where the air.
9 hours, 50
It's where the fighter jet is.
9 hours?
Well, if we're walking.
So let's start walking then. Oh my God. Yeah.
We don't know. I don't
Let's
have
go.
a jacket.
Sinuwerte kami, natsyempohan namin ng mga alien nagsidatingan sa bulkan. Sa bulkan. Ang galing dito. Sana lang napanood ko yun at naiintindihan ko kasi hindi ako makarelate eh. Wala kasi ako alam doon sa Star Trek. Let's go. Kasi panahon namin nang ay Star Wars, hindi Star Trek. Ay naku nang sabi ni Kuya Steve ay 1960s. 1960s pa. Ay naabutan niyo pa si ano hoy eh. Bukas naman eh. Si Tibinos hoy alam niya eh. So alam mo nga rin yun.
Tao ng Vulcan. Star Trekkers. Ayan, ang mga Star Trekkers sa wall, oh. Oopsie, ano yan? Ay, may lubak. Ayan, ayan.
May airport to. May paliparan to no. Oh, Vulcan Airport. Hala. Ito kami sa Nanton. Hindi naman pala kami lumayo masyado. Kasi westward rin naman pala yung dadaanan natin. Kala ko kasi lahat ay pa-south. Park muna kami dito at ayan. Dito yung Mortons daw muna. Inaantok na yung aming kasamang ka-convoy. Sobrang busy pa, ang daming tao dito. Oh no. Kape muna para magbuhayan. Pero maiksi na lang na drive to sa Calgary.
Sa pa-French Vanilla, mainit.
Lapit na rin kami. Sobrang okay naman yung aming camping. Ang saya. Sobrang nag-enjoy itong mga to. Kasi ay kompleto eh. Kompleto rin yung magagawa dun eh. Wantosawa sila sa biking, tapos swimming, boating. Daming activity. Tapos enjoy din sila sa mga laro. Di ba? Nagdala kami ng mga games. So, nice experience na naman itong aming camping. Super saya with Ate Venus and Kuya Steve. So yun, dapat makaisa pa kami, pangatlo.
Oh? Kailan?
Hindi ko pa alam. Pero titingnan natin kung makakaisa pa tayo.
September?
So, medyo malamig na.
No, not this. Before the end of the school summer break. Dapat before end ng summer break, makaisa pa tayo.
Yun, so hanggang dito na lang yung vlog namin. Salamat sa pagsama sa aming camping. See you on the next one.
3 campings this summer.
Bye!
See you on the next one.